Hi everyone, welcome back to another engraving tutorial. Lately, we've been getting one question a lot: which stone is actually best for engraving? So, today we're testing 4 different types of stone to see how they really behave. Before we start, quick reminder, always wear a mask and eye protection. This time we're using our stone grinding bit set at speed 2. These special bits are designed to cut into harder materials, and you can get them anytime on our website. Take note, the larger the diameter of the bit head, the deeper cut it can make. So use smaller bits for fine details and larger ones when you want deeper lines. Alright, let's move on to the first project. One of the most beginner-friendly stones you can engrave on is this one, slate. For this piece, we're turning this sushi board into something we'd actually bring out when friends come over. We'll use this fish design and write sushi night. We actually recommend getting this stencil bundle. It comes with more than 50 stencils and it's super fun and easy to use. As soon as you begin engraving, you'll notice something: a lot of dust. That's actually a good sign because it usually means the stone is cutting efficiently. Let the bit do the work. If you push too hard, the tool can bounce on the stone. Once the design has enough depth, you can switch to a ball bit to gently widen the curves in sushi night. If certain strokes need sharper definition, a square bit cleans those up beautifully. And suddenly, what started as a plain board feels styled and ready to sit on the table for a delicious sushi night. Whether it's nigiris, tamakis, harumaki, whatever you're craving. Now, let's move to granite. This one is extremely hard. It's used for countertops and architectural structures for a reason. But don't panic, let's go one step at a time. For this piece, we're turning a simple granite plaque into a small trophy for Mother's Day. You'll notice less dust and that it takes longer to build depth. This is where most people think nothing is happening, but it is. Granite just requires patience. The design is clean. The lettering says, "Best Mom Ever." Simple words that say a lot. You can also apply a gold patina to give the piece a more trophy-like look. I don't know about you, but after making this, I feel like I deserve an award myself. And if you want another Mother's Day gift idea, imagine this: an elegant marble tray engraved with a simple message to bring to your mom breakfast in bed. Classic move, very hard to beat. Just look how cute it turned out. If breakfast in bed doesn't earn you favorite child status, I don't know what will. Now let's move on to something we can literally find in our own backyard: simple river rocks. For this one, we're creating 3 spring designs to celebrate our favorite season of the year. We can paint the stones first in bright colors like green, blue, yellow, pink, and even add touches of gold. Engraving through that painted layer creates great contrast. Just make sure the paint is completely dry before you start engraving. If it's still fresh, the bit can drag the paint instead of cutting clean lines. And here they are, 3 small stones that are really simple to make and perfect for adding a little extra color to your backyard. So let's recap. 4 completely different stones engraved with the same tool. There are so many other stones we could test: limestone, sandstone, even polished stone tile. So maybe the better question is, what stone are we trying next? Let us know in the comments, and if you want more side-by-side tests and engraving techniques, make sure to subscribe and keep experimenting with us. See you in the next one!